Dear students, technology has regressed enormously in the past few decades, and today computers are an integral part of our lives. The use of multimedia and internet technologies has significantly changed the way we study, work, and play. Responding positively to this lifestyle change, schools have made computer education an integral part of the curriculum at all levels. So, dear students, from today we are going to start our new lesson of our new subject, Information Technology, and our today's topic is Computer Fundamentals. Dear students, before starting the lesson, let's learn the definition and some works of the computer. A computer is an electronic machine that makes our work easier by doing various tasks automatically. It takes our commands and executes them to produce the results. This chapter discusses how the computer works to do a certain task. It also lays stress on the fact that the physical components, hardware, and the programs, software, are two essential parts of a computer system. Working of a computer. To understand the working of a computer, you should know the meaning of the terms data, process, and information. Before understanding working of a computer, we will understand it with a simple example. In this picture, you can see a pencil and sharpener. We will use sharpener to sharpen a pencil. After processing of sharpening, you can see a sharp pencil. In this example, the unsharp pencil is input because we will enter it in sharpener, and sharpener is processor because it will work to sharpen the pencil. After processing, you can see a sharp pencil and it is output. In this example, you can assume unsharp pencil as data, sharpener as processor, and sharp pencil as information. See the meanings of the terms. Number one is data. Data is a collection of facts that is entered as input into the computer. For example, unsharp pencil. Second is process. Process is the action carried out on the data by the computer. For example, sharpener. And third one is information. Information is the output that is received after the data is processed. For example, sharp pencil. The working of a computer can be summarized in 3 steps as we learn with an example. Number 1, input. Data and instructions are given to the computer using an input device such as keyboard and mouse. Number 2, processing. After giving instructions, the computer processes the data and converts it into information by solving the problem. The processing is done in the CPU, Central Processing Unit. Number 3, output. After processing, the computer shows the final result on an output device such as a monitor or a printer. The output displayed on the monitor is called the soft copy and the print of the final result is called the hard copy. So dear students, in this video we have learned about the working of a computer, and we can summarize it in 3 words: input, processing, and output. So dear students, watch the video carefully and try to understand it.